Hoy, Chong!
23. Ang batch 2009.
May abot na.
2. Ang nagmamahal. Pagkakalatong batch 2009. Congratulations, batch 2009. Ang inyong prize ako nang i-announce later no, after sa dinner. So, batch 2009.
All the ladies turn to the left, get to the right, drop down low and take it up high. Bitch, I don't need an introduction. Follow my simple instruction. One to the left, get to the right, drop down low and take it up high. Bitch, I don't need an introduction. Follow my simple instruction.
Alright, I request all candidates please proceed away from round stage. For the introduction number. Shabides, bronchitis, si Lolo nagkalabitis mo na rest in peace. Kung ang inyong anak na ay hubak, baka naghilong ko wag tang ang hubak, wag tang walang inyong anak.
Bako.
Standing here in front of you is the newest sugar daddy in town.
Sugar daddy.
Miss Aya Loudon. Miss Aya Loudon nagsasabi, bahala gamay, basta makayaya. O saod man ang dako, pero permi magduo-duo. Kasi yan ang purpose from your person, from the house of Tyron. And a product of Vice 2006.
Floor, panakit magkaha. Nagkaon na og saging.
Alright, ego exists, meaning I exist. Whether you like it or not, we is a part of this society. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Miss Jane Cuevas, the multitasking CEO of Batch 2009. At naniniwala po ako sa sabihan, ang bansang puno ng kandurugan, sobrang mahal ng bilihin at bigas, Pilipinas! At I am proud to represent the House of Night Watch!
Para maliit dyan.
Thank you!
And now please welcome from March 2008. Bahuas may uy! Ayun, brush pot! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Isot mo now. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am Neil Vero, also known as Danilo Bibero Jr. Representing. Well, please allow me to stand by me. Ang nag-iisa, I am Generis Targaryen, Bisaya version. Yes! Opo! Ako nga po! Yes! Opo! Wow! Ako uy! Ladies and gentlemen, Generis Targaryen from Targaryen House. Pamilain. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, kung mamutana mo, nga nung init kaayo ang panahon, karon, nga nung nag-ilinyo mata, nga nung arang igamaman, kay, mas daghan pa ang mabayot kaysa sa mga punuan, mauna mga bayot, managhan pa ta! Kapag mga bayot!
Nangangri pa.
Busa! Ang mga tumboy! Ang ikot yun na sa mga bayot! Kahit kung unsay gusto sa tumboy, dili gusto sa mga bayot! Kung unsay gusto sa mga bayot, dili ko ginahan ang mga tumboy! Mga tumboy, I love you all! Ladies and gentlemen, this is Neil Vero, once again, representing Batch 2018! And now, please welcome from Batch 2021.
Kaya kaila sa mga judges, sure na backstage. Kaya fire, nag-killer red man si Ate Ala natin, sure na fourth placer ko. Standing here in front of you is a fresh graduate. Ang pinakabata o ang pinaka-way budget ng batch. This is Joella and Melissa, proudly representing Batch 2021.
Alright, thank you so much. From Batch 2021. So happy
Ladies and gentlemen, Santo National High School is very close to my heart. So every time that we will talk about Grand Alumni, it reminds us of who and what and where we are from. From our simple beginnings to our great Benjamin.